Okay, got the cover off the Go Power. And behind this, there's a fuse, but it's green. And there's one down there. I think that's a fuse. I'm not sure. But I think they're fuses. And it looks to me like you can see this one a lot better. See it right there? Behind those wires. Another big fuse, I believe. And I guess I'll need to test that with my meter. And then down here on this side is another fuse. Can't see it. See, it's green down there. I'm gonna have to try to test these. Alright, well, leave a comment.